Upbeat, friendly music starts and fades into the background. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of skincare's most legendary ingredients, retinol. You've probably heard about it, seen it in countless products, and maybe even used it yourself. But have you ever wondered how this fountain of youth in a bottle came to be? And more importantly, how to use it safely to get that gorgeous, glowing skin we all dream of? Well, stick around because we're about to uncover the fascinating history and the essential do's and don'ts of retinol. Our story begins way back in the early 20th century. Scientists were just starting to understand the concept of vitamins. In 1913, researchers discovered a fat-soluble substance crucial for growth and vision, which they named vitamin A. Fast forward a few decades to the 1940s, and Swiss chemist Paul Karrer won a Nobel Prize for his work on vitamins, including synthesizing vitamin A. This was a huge breakthrough, but at this point, it was primarily known for its internal health benefits, think eye health, immune function, and cell growth. Its potential for skin was still a well-kept secret. The real aha moment for skincare came in the late 1960s. A brilliant dermatologist named Dr. Albert Kligman was studying vitamin A acid, also known as tretinoin, as a potential treatment for acne. He was working at the University of Pennsylvania, and his research was groundbreaking. He discovered that tretinoin was incredibly effective at unclogging pores and clearing up acne. But as his patients used the treatment, they started noticing something else. Something amazing. Their skin wasn't just clearer. It was also smoother, less wrinkled, and had a more even tone. This accidental discovery was the spark that ignited the anti-aging revolution. By the 1980s, tretinoin, under the brand name Retinol, was FDA approved and became the gold standard for treating both acne and photoaging, that is, the skin damage caused by sun exposure. It was a prescription-only powerhouse. Dermatologists were seeing incredible results, but it wasn't without its challenges. This potent ingredient often came with side effects like redness, peeling, and sensitivity, which became known as the retinoid uglies. This made some people hesitant, but the undeniable results kept it at the forefront of dermatology. Seeing the huge demand, the beauty industry knew they had to find a way to make this miracle worker more accessible and gentler for the average person. This led to the development of over-the-counter versions, which we now know as retinol. Retinol is a gentler cousin of tretinoin. Your skin has to convert it into retinoic acid to use it, which makes it less potent but also much less irritating. This innovation in the 90s and 2000s is what truly brought the power of vitamin A to the masses. Suddenly, you could find retinol in serums, creams, and lotions at your local drugstore. From its roots in nutritional science to its accidental discovery as an anti-aging hero, retinol's journey is pretty incredible. It went from a lab curiosity to a dermatologist's secret weapon, and finally, to a beloved staple in millions of skincare routines around the world. It's a testament to scientific discovery and the constant quest for healthy, beautiful skin. So that brings us to today. You're ready to start your own retinol journey. Where do you begin? The key to success with retinol is using it carefully and strategically. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The number one rule is to start low and go slow. Don't grab the highest percentage you can find right off the bat. Look for a product with a low concentration, something like 0.25% or 0.3%. Your skin needs time to build up tolerance, a process called retinization. When you first start, apply it only 2 or 3 times a week. Use a pea-sized amount for your entire face, and yes, a pea-sized amount is really enough. More is not better with retinol. It just leads to more irritation. Apply it at night to clean, dry skin. Wait a few minutes for it to absorb before you apply your moisturizer. Speaking of which, moisturizer is your best friend when using retinol. It helps to buffer any potential irritation and keeps your skin barrier healthy and hydrated. A great technique for beginners is the sandwich method. It's simple. You apply a thin layer of moisturizer, then your pea-sized amount of retinol, and then another layer of moisturizer on top. This creates a protective buffer that allows the retinol to work its magic while minimizing dryness and flakiness. It's a game changer for sensitive skin types or anyone new to retinoids now. Let's talk about the most important partner to your retinol: sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. Retinol works by speeding up cell turnover, which reveals fresh, new skin cells. This new skin is more delicate and highly susceptible to sun damage. If you're using retinol without wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30 every single day, you're not just undoing all the good work, you're actually making your skin more vulnerable. So, please, make sunscreen your daytime essential. Rain or shine, indoors or out. As your skin gets used to the retinol, which can take several weeks or even a few months, you can gradually increase the frequency. You might move from 3 nights a week to every other night, and eventually to every night if your skin can handle it. If you experience significant redness, peeling, or stinging, don't be afraid to back off. Take a few nights off and let your skin recover before trying again. Listening to your skin is crucial. Patience is truly a virtue with retinol. You won't see dramatic results overnight. It typically takes at least 12 weeks of consistent use to start seeing noticeable improvements in texture, fine lines, and skin tone. But the long-term benefits are so worth the wait. Over time, retinol stimulates collagen production, which is what gives your skin its firmness and elasticity. This is how it helps to soften wrinkles and create that youthful plumpness. It also continues to regulate cell turnover, which helps to fade dark spots and post-acne marks, leading to a much more even and radiant complexion. It's an ingredient that works on multiple levels to fundamentally improve the health and appearance of your skin. It's not just a quick fix. It's a long-term investment in your skin's future. So, to recap the golden rules, start with a low concentration. Apply only a precise amount a few nights a week. Always use a moisturizer and maybe try the sandwich method. And most importantly, wear sunscreen every single day. By following these steps, you can avoid the dreaded retinoid uglies and unlock all the amazing benefits of this powerhouse ingredient. Retinol has a rich history and a bright future in skincare, and now you have the knowledge to make it a safe and effective part of your own routine. Take it slow, be patient, and get ready to see your skin transform. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and learning all about retinol. I hope you found this deep dive helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of our future skincare tips. Have you tried retinol? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay glowing.